उधर किसानों के आंदोलन को लेकर AIMIM सदर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने मरकज पर सवाल उठाया है। असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने भी यहां पर रद्द-ए-अमल का इजहार किया और मरकज पर निशाना साधा। क्या कुछ कहा, सुनिए।
As far as the farmers' protest is concerned, their demand is a genuine demand, and Mr. Modi's government had formed an expert committee in July of 2022. So the farmers' demand of having a legal guarantee for MSP for all the crops, implementation of Swaminathan Commission's formula, these are rightful demands. Why is the government dilly-dallying on this? They should immediately accept this demand. And what is this, stopping them from protest? You are putting nails on the road, you are putting cement barricades on the road, as if some army is going to enter. Right to protest is a fundamental right. So it is unfortunate that the government had to restore, to do all these things, to resort to all these things.